Hello students, hope you all are doing well. So let's continue our Java series, and today we will gonna discuss about your methods in Java. Okay. So in our previous lecture, we had covered the concept of your Java string in very detail. Okay. So I will provide the link of my both video that I had made on the Java string from where you can fetch them again. And I think your Java string is a very important topic for your the placement point of view. And also there is a definitely a question we're gonna ask from you guys in your every Java mock interview, okay, from your string, okay. So let's continue your methods. So let me share my screen once. Then we will continue our today lecture. So hope my whole screen is visible to all of you. So let's make it at the top so that we can just start our today lecture. So this is there is a there is a class that is a method I had I had already created. Now define a main function into it. Okay. So there is a property of your views code that is you have to simply write main and press enter. Then it will automatically create a main function for you. Okay. So these are the some benefits of using your VS Code IDE. Okay, and also for the writing system.out.println, you don't have to write whole like system.out.println. You just simply have to write s out. S out. Okay. Wait a second. It is not suggesting. Wait a second. What's the problem? What's the problem with it? Yeah. Okay, S out. See, I just type S out and just press enter. Then it will automatically bring a the piece of code for the display the output at your output screen. Okay, so these are the some benefit for using your VS Code IDE. Okay, so let's delete this piece of code till now and start our today lecture, that is methods. Okay, methods. So what is the methods? Okay, there is a simple definition of your Java method is there is a two type of your method. Okay, one is your Java the predefined methods, and one is your user defined methods in Java. Okay, so basically, your method can be defined with the two way. One is your predefined that are the predefined in your the Java packages, and one is your user defined method. Okay, so basically the basic definition of your method, that is your method is a block of code. Okay, your method is a block of code which will only gonna execute at a call of your method. Okay, so let's write the definition here of your method. So it is a block of code which which only run when it is called. Okay, when it is called. Okay, CALLED. Okay, so when you are calling your method at that point of time, your method will gonna only execute. Okay, so this is the basic the definition of your method. Also you can pass the parameters. Okay, parameters means value. Okay, in your methods. Okay, so also there are in some cases methods are also called a function. Methods are also called a function. Okay, so whenever somebody is told you for the creating the function, that means by default you just wanted to say just create a method of any the particular question. Okay, so so there is one question is gonna ask from you guys in your Java interview that why we will gonna use the methods. Okay, why we will gonna use the methods. So the basic answer is by using your concept of Java method, you can use your piece of code again and again by calling it simply. You don't have to write whole piece of code again and again for every time use, but simply you have to declare your method once, and whenever you require that particular method, you just have to simply call it. Okay, you just have to simply call it, and your the particular person is gonna execute it. Okay, so this is the benefit of using methods. Okay, so let's see the basic syntax of your methods. So let's make it comment out and see your method is always gonna declare outside of your main function, but inside your class. Okay, so your method is always declare outside your main function, but inside your class. Okay, so this is your public class, and inside this class we will going to declare our methods. Okay, so let's take a static void. You can take the any name of your method. Let's take it Java. Okay, let's make my method name is Java Tech. Wait a second, guys. I think some background noise are coming. Okay, so wait a minute. Okay. Okay, so let's continue. There is some the problem are occurred in between. That's why I have to the stop my classes in between. But let's continue. So. So your Java method is always gonna declare outside your main function, but inside your public class. Okay. So this is the basic syntax of your method. Okay. So here your static is a your wait a second, static is defined that your this Java Tech method is belonging from your main function. Okay, this static means your Java Tech method is belonging from your main function. Okay, and void play a role that your Java Tech is not gonna return anything. Okay, your Java Tech is not gonna return anything. Okay, so your s- static means Java Tech is belonging from your main method. Okay, main method, and your void is representing here that your Java Tech method is not returning anything. Okay, not returning anything. Okay, anything. Okay, and this is your name of your method, and your method is always gonna end with your these two parentheses. Okay, so this is the basic syntax of your methods. Okay, also you can take here int, int, okay, int or the string, int string, okay, but in that particular case, you have to return a string value here. You have to return a string because your int type of values, your string type will always gonna return something. Okay, so till now we will discuss about your void only. Okay, and inside your Java tech method, we will gonna print a simple message that you are inside your method. You are you are inside your method. Okay, methods. So let's run your program. Let's run your program and let's see the output. Which kind of output is gonna print? See, it is not printing anything. Why? Why it is not printing anything? But in my code, I had print the system out of println. You are inside your methods. Okay. So see, as I had told you guys that your method is gonna execute only when you are calling your method from your main function. Okay. Here we had defined our Java tech method, but till now we are not calling our Java tech anywhere in our main function. That's why it is not gonna completely execute, and that's why it will not gonna print this message. Okay, so for the make the execution of your Java tech method, we have to call it inside our main function. So let's call your Java tech inside your main function. So by using this piece of code, we are calling our Java tech. Okay, we are calling our Java tech from our main function, and now after this code, your compiler is just goes to line number 3 and just start the execution of your Java tech method. Okay, and your this message is gonna print that you are inside your method. Okay, so this is how your method is executing in Java. Okay, so let's run it, and then now you are inside your method. Okay, so this is all about your methods in Java, and in our next upcoming videos, we will learn your method in more details. Okay, so till now, keep learning, keep growing. Bye bye. See you.